Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is polygon tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use polygon tool in CorelDraw. So we use polygon tool to make designs and stars. So let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the polygon tool from here and just drag it like that. So in the default we have 5 sides shape. So let's see the property bar. From here we can change the object position that where you want. Then we can change the object size from here. We can change the scale factor from here. We can change the angle of rotation from here. Then we have mirror buttons. Now here we have two types, polygon and star. So you can see the polygon shape is automatically changed in star. Number of points on polygon. From here we can increase its points like 40. Then enter and select the shape tool. First zoom it so you can understand easily. Now select the shape tool and click on any point and just move it like that, how you want. You can make any design which you want, just like that. You can change the one shape in so many designs, just like that. So with the help of these nodes we can change the shape in many designs. How much you move these points, you can see the shape is modified. So in that way we can use polygon tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.